Approx 25 to 40% of the students are introverted, due to which they face difficulties while making new friends. So, if you also fall under the category of an introvert, then don't worry, because luckily you can overcome that challenge with consistency and practice. To know what exactly you have to do, then watch this short video till the end, because in this video, we are going to give you some proven tips and tricks that will help you to make new friends in school and outside school. Let's begin. Number 1. Use conversation starters. If you are in school, then start using conversation starters for making new friends. Example, ask fellow students some questions like, "Oh no, I can't find my pen. Do you have one?" Or, "Do you live nearby?" Or, "Which is your favorite subject?" For more such conversation, just Google conversation starters for school or college students. Number 2. Look for common interests. Having something in common with someone won't automatically make you besties, but you know what? People tend to open up about things they are passionate about. So, look for the students who have similar interests. Trust me, this tip is very effective. Number 3. Be approachable. If someone is talking to you, then focus on the conversation and be nice to the person. Always put a smile on your face while having the conversation. So these were the tricks. Implement these tips and make new friends. If you want more tips on this topic, then do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.